Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Khan here, checking out an all-new laptop by KUU. This here is not no ordinary laptop. Believe it or not, it's actually a two-in-one feature, allowing you to go ahead and convert it from a laptop into a tablet in a matter of seconds. Now the cool thing about this is that it both has an Intel i7 powered processor, as well as front and rear camera, and a variety of functions to use it on a day-to-day basis. This episode here will be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright folks, so this here's our packaging. You have this sleeve kind of showcasing the laptop here. Let's go ahead and take this thing out. This here is our Lebook, the Intel Core i7. So it's got a good processor from what it looks like. Kind of rotated about, doesn't really mention too much about it on the packaging, but let's open it up and see what's inside. So this here's everything that's inside the packaging. So we have our laptop over here. Looks like we have a manual, stylus, and then a power cable. So first off, we have looks like our user manual in here. So it's gonna be like a thank you card, warranty card. Talks about a little more in terms of quick start details, how to go ahead and boot this thing up. So we have a standard USB-C to USB-C power adapter. All right, and then it does come with its own power block. And then of course we also get a stylus. So this here is gonna have touchscreen capability. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this laptop. So aesthetically looking, I have to say it has a really cool feel. I love this indentation here directly in the middle. You do see the logo there kind of embossed. You do have a camera on the back. As you kind of rotate it about, you have cloth-like material here. Almost has like a rubbery texture to it. In terms of size, it's about a foot, not too big in terms of width, and then in terms of the length, almost like 7-8 inches. Now let's go ahead and open this thing up. Sweet. So obviously, you know, you got that 2-in-1 or multiple-in-1 feature. You have your keypad here based off of a rubber compounded material. However, they are not composed as one piece. They're individual pieces in terms of the lettering goes. So you do get that feedback when you do press it. Now you do have your mouse pad here too, which is great. You have a power indicator, a shift indicator light. And then you also see this little indentation over here where the laptop screen will kind of attach to. This will identify this that you are detaching it just like that. It just kind of comes off like that without any hesitation, and you can use this as a tablet, so that's really neat. Now in terms of installing it back, from my understanding, it's magnetic, so see how it just kind of like magnetically attaches? That is actually pretty wicked. You have these pins here, so just kind of glides onto a place just like that, and you'll snap into place like that. However, obviously it's not as strong as you think it would be, so you just want to exercise caution if you are using it. This part here I believe will come out. There we go. So that is why we have an indentation to help with the stand. So there we are. It says Intel inside, and then this will just kind of fold over like this, and now you have your laptop. So you can go ahead and adjust the height by simply moving that stand back and forth. And you do have your camera on the front and of course on the back. A lot of different like positioning levels, which is really neat. One thing I do notice is that when you kind of move this about, you kind of hear that plate kind of grinding. So I do wish that this had a little rubber stopper here on the edge, as you might scratch the surface. So just exercise caution when you do use it. So as I detach this, we do have a few different things going on here. So it looks like we have a aux port here on the corner here. So in case you want to listen to it through headphones. On this side here, you do have two USB-C ports. And then it's a volume control button. On the top here is our power button. So let's go ahead and hold that. It is on. So far it is taking some time. However, this might be just because it's the first boot up. I'm not too exactly sure. As we do have to boot this up, install Windows, and do a variation of different installation processes to get this thing running. So with that said, let's go ahead and fast forward and see what this thing can do.
A few moments later.
All right, so check it out. So this here is our laptop. Overall, looks really nice, has very smooth function in terms of mouse usage. The screen is nice and crisp. You do have it from corner to corner. It does have a little bit of a glare, but overall not too bad. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the performances here. So we're currently running Windows 10 Pro, which is great. It features a processor that's Intel Core TM-i7-855U. And then we kind of move down here. We do have an installed physical memory of 16 gigabytes, as well as total physical memory of 15.9, available physical memory 13.7. So you would want to expand on that if you are using it. However, this being more of a tablet, kind of gives you an idea what that's about. Now, as we kind of go even a little bit further detail, so we do have our hardware resources. You can see all the different variations and different ports that we have here, so that's nice. But yeah, I mean, it does sound like a pretty solid laptop slash tablet. So another thing is that it does have an integrated fingerprint technology. So just above the power button here, it's actually the power button itself, you simply tap it. And this here is actually a sensor, so you can go program it to unlock based off your fingerprint. It's actually pretty cool on how they did that. In terms of the features behind this laptop, so it's great because you can use it as a regular laptop, meaning you can go ahead and type about and use all the different functions that would come with it, but you can go ahead and expand on that. For instance, if I just open up, say, like Paint 3D over here, I can create a new document. I can type a text per se like this, and type whatever I want, and you can see how quickly it responds, which is really nice. Now, in addition to that, it does come with a stylus, which I can always go ahead and draw. So if I just click on Paint here, I can go ahead and, draw about if I want to. Now, the nice thing about this is that it does detach. So if I go ahead and detach it, I can rotate the whole screen like this, and I can even draw it like that too, which is great. So you can use it as a tablet form, or you can go ahead and use it as a laptop based on your personal preference, and in a matter of seconds, it'll go ahead and start working. So in addition to that, we can open up something like YouTube. So I just click on this, I can play this. Hey guys, welcome back to and this here is the sound quality coming from the speakers. So one of the downsides is that the speakers are kind of facing backwards, so they're kind of projecting that way. However, it's not that bad. Again, I would probably recommend using headphones with this, but it does do the purpose of playing music or listening to kind of sounds if you need to, which is great to see. Now, moving on, we do have the camera mode too. So if I open this up here, you can actually see me. Hey guys. And surprisingly, the camera is actually pretty darn crisp. Now, it does have a focus mode, so you can see it's kind of tracking me, which is nice. And then you also have the camera on the other side, so you can just go ahead and do that too. Also, a nice quality camera. So that's actually pretty cool that they do have all those features in there. So if you have to use it for like meetings and stuff like that, I would highly recommend it. So in terms of the response from the keyboard to the screen, it's actually very accurate. I would say it's almost identical to a real laptop. Now, usually in a display like this where it's separate between the tablet and the keyboard, there's usually a small delay, but with this, I can't even tell at all. I mean, literally the moment I press a button, it instantly posts it on the screen. It's actually pretty impressive. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is try out a 360 video and see how this computer handles a 360 atmosphere. So there we are. So it is a little bit laggy, but it does work. And the fact that you can use this for 360 videos is actually kind of impressive, especially for the fact that one, it's a tablet slash laptop. All right, well, there you guys have it. So overall, a really cool laptop. I really love the design concept of it, and the fact that you can go ahead and use it on a day-to-day basis is absolutely amazing. Now, a lot of these kind of tablets don't really have the full functionality, including Windows, built into it. Otherwise, they're usually just a simple Android device. But this here is definitely something very unique, and the fact that you can go ahead and switch it between the two in a matter of seconds is actually really cool. Now, I would highly recommend it, especially if you're looking for something that's simple and easy to use, especially for school. Other than that, for gaming, I probably wouldn't go that route, but definitely a very cool laptop overall. Now, with that said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.